Beaky from Amazon sent me some goodies to try out. They sent me all these brushes. And then sent me a pack of beauty sponges. Let's compare sponges. This is the sponge dry, and the sponge wet. Look at how big it got. And they feel really spongy. So I'm gonna use the purple and the pink. There's different colors. Let's test these suckers out. I'm using my favorite color corrector, Peach from Jeffree Star. Okay, I'm gonna use the pink one. The purple one is a lot softer, but it's probably because of color. Blend it out nice. Okay, now I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation, my favorite foundation right now. It's this one right here. I'm in the shade 20, which is Classic Ivory. I'm just gonna dab all over my face. With the purple one. So it's really spongy. Looks like it's applying the foundation fine. This is what it looks like with foundation. Like any other sponge, it soaks up product. Okay, so see my face. Blend it out nice. A little bit more layers. I think I'm good. Okay, so blend out nice, and of course it did soak up a lot of product. But I mean, any other sponge usually does. But I mean, looks like I applied really nice on the skin. Just like any other beauty sponge. And then my Jeffree Star concealer. Actually, I'm gonna use Milani concealer. I love this concealer. All drugstore. These two, perfect for summer. And then with a pink one, I'm gonna blend that out. Blend out nice. It doesn't really soak up a lot for concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Huda Beauty Pound Cake. I'm gonna use a pink sponge. And then this is one thing I noticed about these, like how it grabs onto the powder. I'm going to be going in with my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Look how pretty. We're just gonna go a simple look, the simplest look. So I'm gonna go in with yellow. I'm gonna go in the wow. Orange juice for the lid. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. Now I'm gonna use suck further under the eye. It's too thick. I'm definitely getting Lion King vibes here. I'm gonna add Jawbreaker in the inner corner. I'm gonna do so many different looks for this palette. So I am loving this palette. The shades that I used today blended out nice. Weren't patchy, really pigmented. And the shimmers were really pigmented as well. Ta-da! Lion King vibes. Oh, ready for my hair? Boom. Okay, that completes this video. I started off testing out these beauty sponges, and then the beauty sponges. These are a must-have. It comes in a 5-pack for $8.99 on Amazon. Definitely need to get these. Really similar to the Beauty Blender, and for $8.99 for 5 of these, you're good for the whole year. But I did this look using the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star. I did this yellow orangey look. What do you think? What do you think? I like it. Lion King vibes, definitely. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I feel there's something that is. I feel there's something that is. I feel there's something that is stopping me now. Oh.